Today we're going to have a brief discussion about how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. What do we think of the videos on YouTube on how to make 1,000 subscribers quick? Yeah, so I think we've got 280 subscribers at the moment. We've been doing YouTube vlogs bus conversion for probably a couple of years now, and yeah, we don't have 1,000 subscribers. I've researched that, watched YouTube videos about how to get 1,000 subscribers, and a lot of those how to get 1,000 subscribers today, or very quick, or quickly, bloody whatever, however they want to say it, they're all full of shit, because you can't get 1,000 subscribers in a day unless you're some rich prick who can pay for advertising through YouTube. Then you might be able to get 1,000 subscribers a day. But the only way you're going to get subscribers is if people who watched your bloody video press subscribe and then press the notification button so they keep coming back. Because yeah, without you guys doing that, we won't be getting to 1,000 subscribers anytime soon. So if you're watching this and you like our bus conversion, then press that bloody notification button and that subscribe button, and don't be scared to leave a comment. We like comments too. We want to know what you think of our bus. But yeah, if you do have any tricks up your sleeve on how to get more subscribers, we don't want just anyone. We would rather people who like our content and like the sort of stuff that we're doing. There's no point having someone who loves dogs and hates buses subscribing to our show. They might as well be subscribing to some pet show. But yeah, if you like buses, you're in the right spot. So yeah, leave a comment below. Let us know your tricks, tips on how to better your YouTube channel. Because yeah, I've had a couple of people say thought you would have had more subs, but nah, not. Researched that, watched YouTube videos about how to get 1,000 subscribers, and persistence is what they say. Persistence, and there's a few other little, tips and tricks that we've been trying to implicate along the way. Obviously, we're going to try and get better content out there, but yeah, however they want to say it, they're all full of shit, because you can't get 1,000 subscribers in a day. But yeah, while you're here, stay tuned, because we've got plenty more coming up on the bus. So yeah, we look forward to showing you. So YouTube, blah blah blah, just subscribe.